Okay. You too, man. Bye bye. Bye. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? How is how is your trading morning started? it's been I don't know, this last week the market it's so random, so sideways. Yesterday it was I had one of my worst trading days here with the S&P. I couldn't just get it, it couldn't click. It was like the market was, I don't know, very in a very bad mood. So it came down here, then it went a little bit up. I was expecting continuation here, didn't happen, then it continued up. I sold from here towards the retracement, yeah, and that was actually my only good trade over there. So when I sold somewhere from here towards this retracement, but yeah, at the end of the day, it was I got out with some losses, but that's okay. What to do? Today it's a new day. We keep looking for opportunities. The market is still messy, so don't expect too much from the market. So I'm gonna start with just to mark down the sessions here. That was at 3. So that was the Asian slow. That was the Asian slow. Asia, and then we have the London starting from here. So London Open was there. So that's the London. Good morning, Iva. How are you doing? So this is the London, still in this range. And we expect the New York to start when it's gonna start later. I mean, there is nothing to say about the markets now. Look at them. They are completely trendless, and especially the today's one on the S&P, it's like it doesn't exist. Trends, it's like trends don't exist. So I'm gonna look for buys. Look for buys only above this price. Look for buys only above this price. Key support sits there. So that's a key support. Sorry, key resistance. Key resistance. Okay. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Everybody's on holidays. So hopefully from next week. And okay, guys, usually the week during the non-fund payrolls, it just goes sideways and the volatility dries a lot to the last the last week of the month. It's a bit normal and common market behavior. But again, because we are here day to day trying to find trades, yeah, it becomes a bit hard. I know. I know, and it makes sense. So, did you get anything? Did you get any trades so far? Did you got into any move? Gold? Gold came up, and during the uh, New York dropped, all the sellers got stopped out. Market reversed, came back, gave one bullish engulfing there, another inside here. Okay, nothing. Yeah. Also, nothing special. Today, gold is testing these lows. So what's the story? I don't know. Which one? Uh, on the DAX IVA or on gold? Oh, on the DAX. Yeah, it was a nice bearish engulfing there. This one, or ah, or this one. No, on the DAX. To be honest, the DAX was trending at least. Yesterday it was trending quite well. Today was a bit weird because it was on the pullback. On the pullback there on the 5 minute chart. At the open you had a bearish engulfing. Yeah, that was good, but it was 10 minutes before the open and not very strong sign. If it was the last candle before the open, then yes, would be better. Because the higher time frame on DAX is bullish. So after this higher high, the market is still within this bullish structure. It didn't break structure to the downside yet. So if we have this as the default, We put this one here. And here there are just levels. So maybe we're gonna have a bullish structure here. If we see the 5-minute turning upwards, so these lower lows, lower highs, if they're gonna turn to higher highs, it will follow the highest time frame direction, and yeah. What news today? CPI in Australia. Whoa, it went up 3.5%. No good. So gross domestic product later on to be reported. It's neutral. Is neutral. So yeah, let's see. So the only one left is the DAX today. Bullish engulfing on the S&P, but it was not at a good place. Cryptos are picking up. Australian dollar versus the US dollar. What's going on here? They are rallying. Here also tries to move higher. Pound. Whoa, look at this collapse on the USDN. See how the price put so much effort to go up, and then within 3 days it just gave back 100% of what built it for 3 months. That's crazy. So cryptos, only Ethereum and Bitcoin look very much likable, so people are buying them, especially on the Ethereum. The price is really at the top. They didn't let the sellers take control. Bitcoin as well, but Solana, it's so XRP also retraced a little bit, and the SUI. These are the most, I believe these are the among the most the top ones that people are genuinely buying and trading. Anything changed on the S&P? Nothing changed on gold. Still same, no trade so far. I think that only on DAX we can get something today, because there is a direction on the higher time frame. We just need to get the 5-minute chart in a line with a higher time frame, or to break structure and continue lower. Because from what I understand looking at this technical picture, the market is still bullish. It didn't break the structure from this low. So this low and this high are still intact. So the focus now stays here. Did you spot anything? Do you see anything on the go? If we get a bullish engulfing here, maybe it will be a good sign. What do you think? We have a bearish engulfing on the S&P, but I'm not gonna sell it because really the market is ranging. I don't want to sell. Ideally, I prefer to buy here rather than sell. Gold is going with a bullish engulfing too. Iva, did you make any bias for this one? You gonna buy, sell? What's going on with AMD? The stock. It's crazy. Super crazy. I think I'm gonna buy AMD when it's gonna drop below 180, because 100% it's gonna drop from where it is now. 100%. I don't know when, but it will drop. So when it drops, I think we can focus also on that one. Microsoft. Look at this double top here. How nice was. Yeah. Looks like they are losing power, huh? They cannot hold. Buyers cannot hold. So the bullish engulfing turned into a bearish engulfing. Let's see. It's still foaming. The candle didn't close yet. Yeah, two sideways. See how the candles plays games while they are forming. Yeah. So now it's a bullish engulfing. Okay, thank you. I believe the market it's more bullish today, yeah, than bearish. Yeah. I'll be right back. I think it's more bullish today. So, what's the story? Maybe the minute chart turned. So there is an ascending triangle, symmetrical triangle here. Let's see if we're gonna get the expansion to the upside. Or not. Oh, we are getting a sandwich here. Oh, what a nice pattern. What a nice pattern. This will be a sign that the market wants to push lower. But be very cautious if you're going to sell it. Be very cautious somewhere here. Somewhere there. Maybe the price will not handle a further move to the downside. This one looks good, huh? It looks good, this setup. For sellers. Sellers want attention here. What do you think? Sellers want attention there. And it becomes a long bearish candle. So who wants to sell here? Who is selling here? I'm not gonna sell anything there. As I also said, two sideways here. Save the bullets for better days, yeah. Oh, that's true. That's very true. I mean, look at this. It's just goes nowhere. Inconsistency everywhere in the market, everywhere, across the board. So if we check the Fibonacci from here to there, 61 was, but again, lower lows to where? Into this 78.6 here, got rejected. Iva, you like this 78.6, huh? On DAX, see, accurate bounce. So from 1 fib, 78.6 bounce, and it retraced to 61.8. For me to look for sales on DAX today, I need to see a break of structure. So a break below here. If we break below here and move down, it will be a sign of market structure shift. That's why I prefer to be a buyer today instead of a seller. But the price has to break above this one. So basically, this is that's what we prefer to see. Yeah. Nasdaq picks up, S&P same. Come on, let's see if we're gonna get a break. We're gonna have a breakout here on the S&P. Becomes easy. It will be easy to trade it. I want to see the breakout. So guys, I have to go now, and I will end the live stream. So keep an eye on this one, S&P, and on the DAX. And especially today, it looks like we can get some good moves. If they both align, it will be perfect, because when the indices align, it's much better. Okay, so I will see you all tomorrow again for our market analysis, and see if the markets will trend during the New York today. So we're going to have something to work tomorrow. I wish you best luck with your trading, and take care, guys. Bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow.